hold on. Alright, welcome back, guys. I'll be doing some vacationing tomorrow, so I won't be at my usual setup. I'll still figure out a way to code something, but it's not gonna be very long until at least till Saturday. So, there's that. Regardless, though, let's continue where we left off. So, last I remember, we implemented the function literal parsing, which is nice. There's a few more tests I wanted that the book wants me to add. So let's go to our let's go here. Let me just do that real quick, and then wait. Actually, it looks more similar to a for loop. For this one looks more similar to this one. So let's get to test. We're gonna test function parameters parsing, right? So we're gonna be, let's actually change this. Oh, okay, let me, oh my god. Let's do this. Let's define an anonymous struct. Oh my god. Not anonymous, but input is the string. Then we have expected params, which is also array of strings. We'll write some examples, so we'll do an input, which is function expected params. I swear to God, that imports something. Which should be an empty string. Yeah. Let's do 3. So yeah, but that was not Vim, like 3 paste. 3 paste. Yeah. Actually, it's 2 paste. Oh my god. 2 paste. 2 paste. And then let's do that. So function with a parameter of this. Oh, actually, this should be nothing here actually. We just expect 1. And if there's 2, we'll do x. We'll do, this is more like 3, y, z, x, y, z. Of course. So yeah, for every test, feed it to the Lexer, then parse it and check for errors. Oh my god. Check for errors. Damn, it's hot as hell. I need this fan. Sorry if the fan is loud, but it's really hot out here. So then we'll check for the statement. So let's do this statement. See the program dot statements dot ast dot x oops. Oh my god. expression statement. Function will take the statement dot crap. Expression. This. Oh my god. Function rule. If length of function dot parameters does not equal expected params, bro, what? Okay, parameters, and we'll throw t dot error. Function dot parameters. Okay. Test literal expression, test function dot parameters ident. Alright, let's see. Passes it. Beautiful, beautiful. Alright. Our final expression that we will be building is the call expression. So what does that look like? We have type struct or type call expression. It's gonna have what does it have? It's gonna have the token, obviously, which is token dot token. Okay, what is it? Let's break it down. So it's actually like this, right? The call expression is just like some identifier. Or actually, an expression. Then, comma, separated expression. Function expression, right? And then arguments. Like that, right? So obviously the token is the parentheses. So this is, for example, this is the what we're looking for, right? This is the this is what we're looking for. That's what the token is. And then so like, what is an example? Like, let's say we had add here, right? Like this is an example, right? X, Y, right? Assuming that it was already defined. And we'll be combining those with the identifier stuff. Right now there's like a thing we need to do in the identifier, but so this needs to implement the expression node. So let's do that. So all right, let's do this. So we have func sce call expression. Func ce call expression token literal return te or c dot token dot literal. Okay, long string. Then we need to do the okay, let's just copy this one. First off, is it the same? No, it's not, so let's just rewrite it. So var out dot or bytes dot buffer args is equal to string for a args is equal to append args and the a, obviously the string. Whoa, am I done? Okay, so with the out dot write string, we'll do ce dot function dot string. Let's do this 3 more times. Oops. Strings dot join args by commas. What? Why is this wrong? Why is it not working? I don't know. And we have this. Why is this crying? Is this join? Oh, wait, what? Okay, hold on. I think he's just crying about return out dot string. Still, this is being weird. I don't know why. Brother, why? I don't know why it's freaking crying. Okay. Dude, this is super annoying. Wait, is it strings? Oh, yeah, that's why. Okay, that makes more sense. So let's go to parser test and write more tests. Okay, so let's call this. I'm writing this from scratch. Let's do this. So let's do func test call expression parsing testing or testing dot t we have their input, which will be add 1, that's just one of its thing, 2 times 3, 4 plus 5. So let's go through the thing. Let's have our Elixir. Let's then create a new parser instance. Takes Elixir in, and then program p.parse program. Check parser error, which is T and P. So if length of program dot statements equals 1, t dot fatal f program dot statements does not contain %d statement dot equals statement. So we say this AST dot expression statement if not okay. Take this. Let's put statement is not AST dot expressions. If expression oh my god, expression statement dot expression AST dot call expression if not okay, then do this, take that there. We'll say statement or expression statement dot expression is not to call expression. Yeah, that makes sense. And then we got expression. So if not test if not identifier test Okay, this is not good. Test identifier. We'll put the test expression dot function and add. Return. If length of expression dot arguments how many arguments? We should have a total of 3 arguments. Actually, t dot fatal long length of arguments got equals percent digit length of xp dot arguments. Test literal expression. Test infix expression. Do that again. So t xp dot arguments. I think it's just 1, right? Yeah. Let me bring this here. So the next one is t test. Oh, this is bad. Expression dot arguments 1 2 2 Okay, so that should be good. Oh, wait. I messed up. Let's make these their own parameters. I forgot. Okay, should fail because I won't have any parsing functions. Okay, is there something wrong? Oh my god. Why is this here? Okay, good. Now these are the things we were expecting. Good. So let's register it. And we need to make the function for it. So new parse call expression. This is a, what is it? Infix. Okay, so let's do it here. Let paran parse call expression, and let's do this one. Func p. What did we call this? Parse expression, which takes a function of type AST.expression and will return an AST.expression. Okay. Well, parse call expression. That's a difference here. There. Expression. AST.call expression, which the token call or p dot curve token, and function is function, and return expression dot argue equals p dot parse call arguments. Parse call arguments. Okay, it should return an array of AST dot expressions. Okay. All right. Parse call arguments. Okay, so we're gonna make an array of arguments. AST dot expression return arg. Oh, there you go. So if p dot peak token is token dot or per, then well, actually let's call it ours. P dot next token. Oh my god, it's okay, thank god. I thought I added something. Return args. Wait, what? Oh wait, this is not a pointer. It should just return a new address. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so not a new address. It should return a copy. Then we call p dot next token. Then args equal append args p dot parse expression lowest. Then for p dot peak token is token dot comma p dot next token. Oops. P dot next token args equal append args p dot parsed expression lowest. If not p dot expect peak dot right paren return yeah. Something's wrong. Yep, there is. Oh my god, dude, what the fuck? Okay. Make sure the call expressions really have highest precedence. So I think it will still fail, but in our precedences, we need to put the call. So let's add token dot left parent equal the call. Beautiful. And then let's add operator precedence. Add more test to this, which is to add stuff like this. So A plus add B times C plus D. The expected is changing Q. Oh my, changing what? Change in Q. What? Wait, what? Why changing Q? I don't know what happened there. I can't change in Q for some reason. What the hell? I thought that was a thing. Deleting Q. Oh my god. What the fuck? Am I DIQ? Check health mini. What was it? 8 mini. That was surround. I don't know. This is weird. I swear that works. That's a weird thing. I need to investigate this. Mini. So was it surround? Yeah, this one. Mini dot surround. What is happening? This is broken. Let me check something. That still works. So why can I change in B or change in Q? Do I need to configure something? No. Oh, I want the fucking stable version. don't know what's happening, man. Oh, I just realized. So wait, what? So they're different? Mini.ai? What? So this entire time I didn't have this thing? Oh my god. Oh my, so I have to download more. I was confused why that didn't work. Okay, I'm also doing this. How do I add this? Mini-AI. Dude, these are separate. Let me look at my old Kickstarter thing. I think wow, I didn't realize how crazy it was. So yeah. What's in here? Mini. Oh my god, I did not know that was a thing. You know what? Okay, let's do it like this. I'll put it in. Okay, I'm sorry. That was broken. Okay, I get it. Where is it? Okay, this one, yeah. What is it called? Okay, in here, I'll just call this and AI. And I'll call this mini because it's not just, yes. Oops, boom. Wait, what happened? What was that? Failed to run. Bruh, okay, I that means I need this. Let's just do that. It's more simpler. Boom. Oh, wrong thing. Mini. Do this. Return. Boom. What? Yeah. I was so used to it. It's really insane. I don't need the stat line. Yeah, boom. I just need these two. There you go. And then let's clean. Okay. Parser test. Operator precedence. Yep. Then changing queue. Bro, did that? I didn't know I didn't have that. That's crazy. Okay. A plus add B times C. Wait, this is very important. I evaluate that, then put it in, right? Okay. Okay, another one. We have to add at least 3. So 3. 3p, so oops. Second one, let's do add a b 1 2 2 times 3 4 plus 5 add 6 7 times 8 8. So let's read that again. B 1 2, yep 4 plus 3 add 6 7, yep. Okay, so then it should look like add a b 1 2 times 3 like this, right? Or does it matter? Yeah, it does. If it's prefix or infix, it should be wrapped with parentheses. Add 6 7 times 8 8 like this. Oops. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay. Add a plus b plus c times d slash f plus g. And we should expect, I don't need this. We should expect add, what do we expect? Oh my god, this nested ass thing. So probably my goodness, a plus b plus, oh, I meant to say c here. C c times d divided by f. This is evaluated first, then g. So then there's one, and then I do this surrounding this. So there's about 4 parentheses. 2 here. This is gonna be a pain to debug if I made a mistake here. The most inner one I should start with should be the multiplication, then the division. Then I surround that. Then I add that to that, and then I do the a plus b plus the fraction plus g. So there should be a total of 4 parentheses on the left. 1 2 3 4. Okay. Okay. Hopefully this doesn't break. Oh my god! Of course. 451. 451. What? Are you serious? Go needs to get rid of that. Why doesn't my formatter not add that? Okay, it failed something. Okay, let's go back here. We're failing the test call. Oh wait, let's fix the. Wait, what? This looks the same, no? Expected a plus add b times c plus. Whoa! What is it tweaking right now? Huh? Wait, guys, am I tweaking right here? This is not the same. A plus add. What? Okay, hold on. I think that's because hold on. I probably wrote the test wrong. Wait, that doesn't make sense because these are fine actually. What is this? Test operator precedence parsing. Oh wait, I think I'm missing a parenthesis. Yeah. Okay, maybe it's because of the way I wrote it. Hold on. This is what I should expect. It makes more sense. Yeah. I think it's this. So 3, 3. Yeah, okay. Good. That's really good. What? No way. Okay, good, good. Now we need to check the test call parsing. Test parsing call. Wait, what call? Yeah. Let's just double check why that's happening. Infix and literal expression. Test literal expression. Oh my god. This is the actual... Oh wait, these are all strings. Oh my god, no. Nice. Everything passes. Now let's remove our to-do. So let's go back to our parser. And find the parse let statement. And let's go here. Okay, let's actually fix our test statement. Test let statement. So we need to extend it so that when we, so let's do this. Let's write it so I think he completely rewrote it. I think we could get rid of this stuff. Well, actually, let's do this. Let me rewrite it here, right? And let's write, okay, so expected identifier, okay, let's call it input string. Expected identifier, expected value. Then, well, no, this is interface. And then let's fix our tests. Let x equals 5 x and then 5, right? That makes more sense, right? Say y, let's say was it true? Foo bar equals or y. Right. And then that should be good, I think. So we can ignore these and then rewrite this. And we'll take this. We say tt.input and then we'll actually take all of this. Go here, here. Okay. Statement. Program dot statements. If not test, let statement. T statement. Tt dot expected identifier. Return. Wait. So val is equal to statement dot ast dot let statement dot val. Test literal expression. Value or val. Boom. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I need to do the test return statement. He hasn't put that in, so well. Okay, now I can just grab it from his reference thing. But anyways, parse return statement. Let's do that. Parse return. Parse. Okay, let's see. P.next token. Yep. Statement dot return p dot parse expression lowest. Do I need to add that to the here? Well, I'll just call it value. Parse let statement here. P dot next token. Statement dot value equals p dot parse expression lowest. Okay, not parse statement, expression. In our REPL now, we have a bit more to write. So if not scan, take the line. Oh, we just did the parse. Okay, so L equals that. P parser dot. Let me add that actually. Parser. Parse program. Wait. Go mod. REPL. Bruh. Let me cd into it. Cd parser or REPL. Go mod tidy. I don't know why it's complaining that it's... Oh, what? Oh, wait, what? Yeah, it works. Parse program. We can get rid of this stuff here. Oh, wait, hold on, I'm stupid. P is equal to... This is program. P is equal to parser dot new with the lexer. Is that happier? I mean, if length of p dot errors. Print parser errors out p dot errors and then continue. IO dot write write string out program dot string. Line. Okay, I gotta make the function print. Put the here. String T as a message plus does this work now? I'm curious. Go run. Wait, what? Package monkey slash not oh. Brother. Okay, that's true, cause I don't need it. Yeah, I don't need. Oops, I don't need this. Go run REPL. Go run REPL. CD REPL. Go run. Oh. Is there a main dot? Oh, okay. Go run main dot go. So what can I do now? So let x equal 1 times 2 times 2 times brother. Let 1 times 2 or 2 times 3 times 4 times 5. It didn't work. I gotta fix it for sure. We're super close. I think it's like in a while loop forever. Oh wait, oh my god, hold on. Yeah, it is supposed to be in a while loop. It just broke. I don't know why. P equals parser dot new L. Program equals parser. Yep. Regardless, I'll fix it next time. But anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you for tomorrow's. Peace.